Hello students, welcome to the class again. Today we will discuss about alkenes and alkynes. In the last class we had a discussion about saturated hydrocarbons. Now today we will discuss about unsaturated hydrocarbons. In this we will categorize alkenes and alkynes. We will learn how to form and how to make their structures, their electron dot structures and many more. So let's watch the video to make ourselves more clear about it.
After learning about the alkanes, which are the saturated hydrocarbons, it's time for us to know the unsaturated type of hydrocarbons. The first family is that of alkenes. These are the ones having at least one double bond between the carbon atoms. Now, is there a formula to represent these as well? Yes, just like alkanes, even alkenes are represented with a formula. It is CnH2n. Here as well, N stands for the number of carbon atoms. Thus, the number of hydrogen atoms in an alkene will be double the number of carbon atoms in it. That's right. For example, the simplest alkene known to us is the ethene. It has two carbon atoms and they share a double covalent bond. So the value of N is 2. So what will be the number of hydrogen atoms in ethene? Based on the formula, it is 2 times N. As N is 2, we get the number of hydrogen atoms in ethene as 4. That gives us the chemical formula for ethene as C2H4. Similar to ethene, all the other alkenes can be represented using this simple formula. Now we are left with the last family that consists of members with at least one triple covalent bond between the carbon atoms. These are referred to as the alkynes. We know the formulae for alkanes and alkenes now. And can you guess what could the formula for alkynes be? It is CnH2n minus 2. There's one thing we can surely tell by looking at the formulae. It tells us that for the same number of carbon atoms, alkynes will have lesser number of hydrogen atoms as compared to alkanes and alkenes. Now let us take an example to understand the working of this formula as well. We consider the simplest alkyne, that is ethyne, as our example. It has two carbon atoms that share a triple covalent bond. As it has two carbon atoms, the value of N in the formula will be 2. And the number of hydrogen atoms will be 2 times 2 minus 2. It gives us the answer as 2. 2 hydrogen atoms. Thus the formula for ethyne is C2H2. Let's quickly review what we learned. Hydrocarbons are classified into 2 categories: saturated and unsaturated hydrocarbons. Saturated ones have a single covalent bond between carbon atoms, and unsaturated ones have at least one double or triple covalent bond between carbon atoms. Alkanes are the saturated hydrocarbons and their formula is CnH2n plus 2. Alkenes are unsaturated hydrocarbons with at least one double covalent bond. Their formula is CnH2n. While alkynes are unsaturated hydrocarbons having at least one triple bond. Do you remember their formula? Yes, it's CnH2n minus 2.
So students, the next unsaturated hydrocarbon we'll study, that is alkenes. Okay, the general formula of alkene is CnH2n. Okay, if the value of N you take, okay, will you get methane here? No, answer is no. We need 2 carbon atoms at least to pair up. So methane will not exist. So we'll start with N number, that is 2. Okay, we will taken the value of N as 2 and then we will put this value, we will get C2H4. And how we'll make the structure? C2, okay, H4. I can put the double bond over here and this hydrogen. Let me check one more time that I have made it properly or not. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, carbon valency complete. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This valency also complete. Let's start making its dot structure. First you make the structure, it will be easy for you to make it. See students, I am putting these carbon valence electrons 1, 2. The other one is 3 here. The 4th number is here. The other carbon 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, you can put this hydrogen here also, you can put the hydrogen below also. Okay, here, no problem, but make sure the valence electrons has to be completed. You cannot put more of them. Okay, now I'll give the hydrogen. This is the cross mark. I'm giving the electron of hydrogen so that we can easily distinguish it. So here, this one, I'm doing it. I'll use a red pen of mine so that I can encircle them, and it will give me a different color so that I will not get puzzled off, right? You people can also use different color. Instead of red pen, you can use a glitter gel pen, any kind of color you can use. Instead of red and green, avoid red and green. And this. And then see, carbon. Carbon has also taken all these electron and completed this octet. Same with this carbon also done the same thing. Okay, can you see here, double bond pair up. So what does it says? Alkene says that the hydrocarbon in which at least 2 carbon atoms are linked through double bond is known as alkene. Fine students, let's make we have already made ethene. So this is the diagram of ethene. Students, this one, right, this one is, I have made a little bit, this will come this way. I have to do this. This will come this way. Okay, avoid this line and make it a nice one. Okay, don't make it the way it is like this, that you will not able to understand. Make it in a proper way. Next one, students, I will talk about propene. Okay, propene is N number value is 3. Okay, so if I put the value 3, what I will get? I'll get C3H6. Fine. So now I'm going to put these carbon like this, 3 carbon. I can make the double bond over here also, there's no problem. Okay, in future when you study nomenclature, you will get to know why am I doing this. But as per your present concentration, you concentrate here. You can put double bond here also and put double bond here also, there is no problem. Okay, now hydrogen is having 6. We are having 6 hydrogen. Let's put this hydrogen 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, so octet is complete. Here hydrogen, the another hydrogen. Let's see, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Now 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, complete. So how many hydrogens I having? 1 2 3 4 5 6, completed. So can we make the dot structure also for this electron dot structure? How we will make it? This one carbon. Okay, just follow the way you have made structures, then you will not get confused with anything. I'm saying you, if you will not follow the structure properly, you will get confused again and again how to make the structure. And yes, obviously it needs a lot of practice too. So let's start, encircle them. This hydrogen is pairing up with the carbon electrons. This hydrogen will also pair up, this also like this, and this will also. I'll show you again. In the last structure I have not shown you properly. Like here you see one, this carbon I have encircled it and tried to fill all the octet. I have shown all the octet. Now see this carbon 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So this will complete the circle like this, and this circle, this carbon 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. This carbon will also complete its octet. So our propene is also done. The structure of propene is also done. The same way, students, you have to do for pentene and hexene. Students, the third one is alkynes, unsaturated hydrocarbon, general formula CnH2n minus 2. So N, value of N, we are taking 2 over here. So that means we are talking about ethyne. What we are talking about? Ethyne. Okay, students. So here you see, I have made the structure. We have used triple bond over here because you know alkynes are having triple bond. How you will make the dot structure? I have tried here but I have cancelled out. I am trying over here again. Now I'll use my red pen so that I can show you properly how bonding is taking place. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this carbon will pair up all 3 electrons of this carbon to complete its outermost shell, and this carbon will take the 3 electrons of this carbon. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Now all are completely filled. Students, this way, can you see triple bonds are forming? That means what we say, alkynes, the hydrocarbons in which at least 2 carbon atoms are linked through a triple bond are known as alkynes. The same way, students, you have to do for you have to do just alkyne, propyne, butane, pentyne and hexyne. This is your homework. Okay, bye bye, take care. This is the some questions I have taken for you. All you have to do, see, I have total 7 questions, all are visible to you. Okay, you do this. Okay.